Recent studies indicated that the average person looks at themselves in the mirror 8 to 10 times a day. Other studies indicate that they could get as high as 60 or 70 times, that's 70 times a day, when factoring in reflections in store shop windows and looking at their own image on the screen in the smartphone. Well, how often do we look at our reflections in this mirror each day? You know, the Bible is actually a direct reflection of who we are in the Spirit. When God sent Jesus to the cross, His wrath for us was exhumed. He doesn't look at our imperfections anymore, and He doesn't look at our outward appearance. He looks at our spirit and sees Jesus. Galatians 2:20 says, Christ lives in me. We are now the temple of the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit indwells us bodily. So, what do we take priority on? On how good we think we look on the outside, or on how God sees us on the inside? Now, does this give us an excuse to just go out and act morally, knowing that this is the way God feels about us? Absolutely not. If anything, this should actually promote us to act better, to actually be very conscious of our actions, and to be blessings for other people. This is Scott Prazak with Drive-By Devotions. Let the Holy Spirit fill your heart today, and let this be the best day in your life. God bless you.